We've done a project for the Osaka Expo of scanning various monuments in Luxembourg.
I'm Gëlle Fra. I'm a technical support specialist at Artec 3D.
Hi, my name is Keinan. I'm a support engineer and application engineer here in Artec 3D.
The Gëlle Fra, it's one of our most known monuments in Luxembourg.
In this specific scan, we took a couple of scanners. We took both the Leo and the Ray II. We later also scanned it with a drone to get the head and basically everything that's on top of the statue. In that case, we just put a drone in the sky, surrounded the hollow tooth and the Gëlle Fra and the Ducal Palace with photos. And so we got full 3D color. We got access to areas that we couldn't before. And we just got a usable model, which in the past we'd have to model all the missing areas. We decided to overscan. So on one hand, we took the Ray II and got broad scans of the entire site, and that was basically going in a circle around the monument and taking as many scans as we thought was necessary. And the second thing was to scan a lot of details with the Leo, so that if we needed in the end to get some areas a bit more detailed, so inscriptions, statue that is at the bottom of the obelisk. So there were a couple of challenges that we faced, and everyone that's scanning outside will immediately face, and that's sunlight. We scanned on a very beautiful day, which was very nice, but the sun is sometimes a challenge for every scanner.
It was a very hot, sunny day, so there were very hot shadows.
We had to get a bit creative with the angles that we used. So instead of scanning dead on, we scanned at various angles to get as much detail in the surface. Luckily, both the Ray II and the Leo can overcome sunlight and scan in direct sunlight.
Scanning with Ray was quite straightforward, since it's a stationary scanner. We could just place it, take every 5 to 10 meters a new scan to add some data to the whole scan.
The regular processing of Ray II scans, when you're doing the process correctly, the scans come pre-aligned into Artec Studio. And then you just need to run a couple of algorithms. You can even do them as a workflow and step away from the computer for 20 to 40 minutes, and then you get a model in the end. To add the photogrammetry into it is as easy as importing the photos and then, again, running a workflow. Texturing them is relatively easy, and there is no complicated process that you need to take. In Artec, we try to create the most intuitive software that we can. So photogrammetry works by sort of understanding which angles you took the photos from and builds kind of a map of where the camera was. And our software could then understand the 3D model of what was taken.